Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Beko Dishwasher error code e01. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step to consider. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit where the people provide their review about a specific product or problem. A person have an problem with the Beko Dishwasher. Like it firstly got an e01 error which is an overflow error. So we drain water and reset flood switch. Now it is tripping at certain point on certain washes. It completed its 1 hour self-clean program, but after loading and start another wash it tripped. Unsure what to check next. I have removed panel and check hoses. All seem okay with no leaks. The people provide their opinions and the solution, like this. Wait 5 days and let it completely dry out, then try it again. Sometimes if there's even a tiny bit of water residue, it will trip. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.